Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Baby's Kitchen, and I appreciate you all. Today I want to share with you how I simply make my homemade soy milk, and I hope you like it. As always, stay tuned till the end and be inspired. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and your girl will always appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. So lovelies, without further ado, let's begin. Here I've got my 500 grams of soybeans. I'll go ahead and then open it up and transfer everything into the bowl. And after that, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. Next, I'll remove all the bad beans because they are not needed. If not, our soy milk will taste bad. Next, I'm adding water. After that, I'll leave them to be soaked for about 4 hours or even overnight for the beans to be soft and even double up or triple up. Okay, so that's it. But I chose to soak mine overnight. Okay, so next day I'm back and you can see the beans has really doubled up and the water is becoming cloudy. I'll still go ahead and remove all the bad beans, and later I'll go to the sink area and wash the beans thoroughly and the running water until the water runs clear, and also I'll remove all the skin from the beans. I hope it's clear. Now I'm back and transferring everything into the blender just like this. To support your girl, please don't forget to share for others to see. Don't forget to like and comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe, okay? Next, I'm adding enough water for easy blending, okay? With this one, I'll prolong the blending time because I want to extract as much milk as possible from the beans so that I wouldn't be blending again and again. I hope you get it. From all indications, our beans is nicely blended and smooth. So I'm transferring everything into the bowl using my chiffon cloth. We are at the straining stage where we're going to separate the pulp from the juice, and I hope you get it. You can even use your nut milk bag or any clean cloth which has tiny holes to help with this process, okay? Lovelies, once you are done, you can still keep the pulp because there are a whole lot of recipes to be used for, okay? I'm adding some water because it's too thick for my liking. I'll then stir to mix properly, and then lovelies into a saucepan. I'm adding it just like this. And now it's time for us to boil for about 40 minutes until it evaporates and simmers down well to become creamy and with the perfect soy milk flavor. So it's kind of like we are making evaporated milk. I hope you get it. So let's keep on boiling or evaporating until we get the nice flavor we are looking for, okay? So those of you who have seen my evaporated milk video, we are using the same process for this one, okay? Now let's get this bit out of the milk. Right now it's been 40 minutes and I've achieved the flavor I'm looking for. And as you can see, it has really simmered down well from where it was before to this point. It's amazing. So now I've turned off the heat and I'm adding vanilla extract. Next, my honey, all for flavor. Okay, beautiful. I'll give it a stir until well combined. Okay, for more flavor, I'm adding milk powder, and again I'll stir until well combined. Next, I'll proceed to strain again for the second time. Okay, just like this. And oh, mamma mia, everything is so beautiful. I love the beautiful aroma, lovelies. This is so flavorful. Very, very subtle aroma here, and it's a must try recipe, okay? Don't just watch the video, give this a try and thank me later. And when you do, don't forget to tag your girl with the feedback on Instagram or comment down below my Facebook and YouTube videos. Now with the pulp, go ahead and check it or add it to the first one for future use, okay? You can still go ahead and strain the milk one more time, but this is fine for me. And I also like the consistency, so into the bottles, I'm transferring everything just like this. This is so flavorful, lovelies. If today is ever your first time seeing my video, hey, I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this family to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also click on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay? So now I'm adding pineapple flavor to the soy milk. You can add any flavor of your choice, okay? I'll mix until well incorporated. Let's set it aside. And next I'm adding my strawberry flavor also to the soy milk, just like this. And again, I'll stir until well incorporated, okay? All done. And now I'm transferring everything into the bottles. And of course, I'll keep them in my fridge and enjoy. You can even add more flavors like the chocolate flavor, banana flavor, blueberry flavor, and so many more. Lovelies. I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And to all my followers and subscribers, oh, what can I say? Thanks so much for the love and support. I can't really express myself. I'm so dumbfounded. I appreciate you all. Please keep liking my videos, keep sharing my videos, and keep on commenting for me to know your thoughts about my recipes here. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.